Hello friends, welcome to our new session. Plus 2 Commerce Lesson 13 Concept of Marketing and Marketer. Choose the correct answer. One of the promotes or exchange of goods or services for money is called as marketer. The marketer initially wants to know in the marketing is needs of the customers. The spot market is classified on the basis of transaction, means buying and selling. Which one of the market deals in purchase and sale of shares and debentures? That is stock exchange market, where you can purchase and sell the shares and debentures. Stock exchange market is also called as what market? The another name of stock exchange market is security market. What is market? You know students, what is market? It has been asked in March 20 paper, March 2020 paper. The word market is derived from the Latin word marketus, which means trade. What do you mean by trade? Trade means buying and selling of goods. So trade, commerce, merchandise, a place where business is transacted is known as market. In simple words, the meeting place of buyer and seller. The meeting place of buyer and sellers in an area is called market. So what do you mean by market? The meeting place of buyer and seller is known as market. Now move on to next question. Define marketer. Define marketer. According to Business Dictionary, a person whose duties include the identification of the goods and services desired by a set of consumers as well as the marketing of those goods and services on behalf of a company. So according to Business Dictionary, person whose duties include the identification is known as marketer. They have to identify what the customer wants. What the customer wants. What is meant by regulated market? Regulated market. These are the type of markets which are organized, controlled, regulated. Organized, controlled and regulated by statutory measures. Example, stock exchange of Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, etc. So this is known as regulated market. What is meant by spot market? Spot market. In such markets, goods are exchanged and the physical delivery of goods takes place immediately. Means on the spot. You pay the cash and receive the shares or securities. That is known as spot market. You can receive the goods or delivery of the goods immediately. What is meant by commodity market? What do you mean by commodity? Commodity means goods. A commodity market is a place where produced goods or consumption goods are bought and sold. Bought and sold means purchase and sales. Now you understand the very short answers. We move on to short answers. What can be marketed in the market? What we can do? What can be marketed? The dynamic items that can be marketed are listed below. Goods, services, experiences, events, persons, places, properties, organizations, information, ideas. So this can be marketed in the market. Mention any three rule of marketer: investigator, innovator, integrator, implementer. So this is the three rule. Any three rule you can write. Marketer is an innovator. Do you agree? Are you agree that marketer is an innovator? Yes. Marketer is an innovator. Innovator means what? New ideas. Innovation. Marketer seeks to distinguish his product services by adding additional features or functionalities to the existing product, modifying the pricing structure, introducing new delivery pattern, creating new business models, introducing change in production process, and so on. So this is known as new ideas. So they'll change the delivery pattern, they'll change the business models, and they'll introduce a new way of selling the products. Explain the types of market on the basis of time. So on the basis of time, there are types of markets. Very short period market, and long period market. Like very short answers and long answer. Same way, very short period market, long period market. So markets which deals in perishable goods. Perishable goods means what? The goods which is destroyed within a day, like fruits, milk, vegetable, etc., are called as very short period market. There is no change in the supply of goods. Price is determined on the basis of demand. Short period market. In certain goods, supply is adjusted to meet the demand. The demand is greater than supply. Such markets are known as short period market. Long period market. This type of market deals in durable goods where the goods and services are dealt for long period usage. Now understand, this is known as types of market. Now we'll move on to next question. List down the gathering and analyzing market information, market planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing of products, promotion and selling, physical distribution, transportation, storage and warehousing. These are all the function of marketer. Now we'll move on to essay. The first long answer. How the market can be classified. How the market can be classified on the basis of geographical area. Market, local market, national market, international market or world market. On the basis of commodities. Commodity market, produce, exchange market, manufactured goods market, bullion market. Capital market is divided into money market, foreign market, the stock market. On the basis of economics, perfect market, imperfect market. On the basis of transaction, spot market, future market. On the basis of regulation, regulated market, unregulated market. On the basis of time, very short period market or long period market. On the basis of volume of business, wholesale market, retail market. On the basis of importance, primary market or secondary market or terminal market. So any 5 points you can write. Next, we move on to second answer. How the market can be classified on the basis of economics. This question has been asked in the quarterly or half-yearly examination last year. On the basis of economics, perfect market. A market is said to be perfect market if it satisfies the following conditions. Number one, large number of buyers and sellers are there. Price should be uniform throughout the market. Buyers and sellers have a perfect knowledge of market. Goods can be moved from one place to another without restrictions. The goods are identical or homogeneous. Imperfect market. A market is said to be imperfect when products are similar but not identical. Prices are not uniform. There is a lack of communication. There are restrictions on the movement of goods. So, after this, we complete our 13th chapter.